Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're told that a food truck sells salads for $6.50 each and drinks for $2 each. And the total revenue on a certain day from selling a total of 209 salads and drinks in that day was $836.50. And given this information, we're asked how many salads were sold that day. So what we're going to do is we're going to say let S represent the number of salads, and let D equal the number of drinks that were sold on this particular day. So they sold a total of 209 salads and drinks combined. So therefore we can say S plus D equals 209. Okay. The total revenue was $836.50. Might not be as obvious how to turn that into an equation, but if we just write it out in words, the total revenue was $836.50. So the revenue from salads plus the revenue from drinks equals $836.50. So the number of salads that they sold times $6.50 each is going to be the total revenue from salads. And the number of drinks times $2 each is going to equal the revenue from drinks, right? So if they sold 10 drinks for $2 each, the total revenue would be 10 times 2 would be $20 for those drinks. And in this situation, we have the number of salads is represented by S, so we have 6.5S plus 2. The number of drinks we had as D, and this is equal to 836.5. So in this situation, we want to solve for S, for the number of salads. So if we come up here, we can do some substitution. We want to get D in terms of S. So we subtract S on both sides, we get that D is equal to 209 minus S. So we have 6.5S plus 2, and then D we're saying is 209 minus S. So you can plug that right into this equation. And now we have one equation with one variable and we can solve for S. So you have 6.5S plus 2 times 209 is 418 minus, don't forget the minus sign, 2S is equal to 836.5. Subtracting 418 from both sides, we get 6.5 minus 2 is 4.5 S, and this is equal to 418.5. Bringing this up here so we don't run out of room. Again, we have 4.5 S equals 418.5. Solving for S, dividing both sides by 4.5. We get on this side, we just have plain old S, the 4.5s cancel away. And on the other side, we get 93. And since S is the number of salads, there were 93 salads sold on that day, which is what they're asking, so B, 93, is gonna be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.